Raise your hands if you like venison, or what we call it around here, deer meat. Well, there's probably a lot of you. And my old brother, some of y'all may not know, I got an older brother. He comes around every so often. His name Big Mike is what we call him. Well, Big Mike hooked me up with he said this was a whole tenderloin, but he just gave me, well, it looks like maybe this is just the center cut, but oh, they did a good job cleaning this up. Got a little bit of silver skin on it. He's like, Boo, he calls me Boo. He said, you need to do some more tenderloin. You need to do some more deer meat. And I was like, man, I don't know. I was like, well, finally I was like, look, give me some deer meat. Let's do this. Here we are. I said, give me a nice tenderloin. Look at that thing. I think he harvested this deer not long ago. It was this year. He did harvest a nice, I don't know, a good 8-point, I think. But beautiful, beautiful deer. And they did a pretty good job. They do their own meat. They've cleaned that up really good. And really all I'm doing is the silver skin. You wanna get the silver skin off, because that stuff, it does not break down. You see that right there? See that piece right there? Just take your knife, just kind of run up under it. And my knife, this thing's sharp. If it has trouble, you're gonna have trouble gnawing on it. You see it kind of runs in pretty deep. Just like we'll try to get that all out. There's one of these that just kind of runs into the meat, and that's it right there. So I'd have to dig pretty far to get that out. So we're gonna cook this. Well, first, you know, deer meat is very lean. I mean, there's hardly no fat on this. So I thought, man, if we reverse seared these things on pellet grill and then sear it on that Blackstone, man, put a little marinade with it, well, it'd be good. So that's what we are going to do. We're gonna put this into a bag and we're gonna marinate these dudes. I love these things. I never got back to that guy. It's called a Zip Quicker. He sells it on Amazon. But look at that. You just makes things really nice, like an extra set of hands. Because I need an extra set of hands because Jacob, he's really non-existent. So how are we gonna season these things up? I'm glad you asked. We're gonna do we're gonna add a little bit of garlic. Quite a bit of garlic, actually. Just like that. Wash your sister sauce. Get a little shaky, a little L and P. You want a lot of sauce here because we're gonna reduce it later on. A little balsamic vinegar. Love balsamic vinegar. Good little amount. I'm gonna do a little bit of honey. And I don't think I took the top off. Nope, sure didn't. A little honey. Honey, honey. Good little amount of honey. Honey, why you making that backstrap? I'm gonna do a little bit of soy sauce. A little soy sauce. This is low sodium soy sauce. About right there. About right there. All right. Now, heifer dust, asked for by name, award winning. Plenty of it, okay? I'm gonna put a little bit more of this beef powder in it too. It's good for all red meat, so. Now, let me kind of mix this around really good before I put our tenderloin in there. Take our handy dandy meat hook. I'll put it right into that marinade. Now, I'm gonna let this go for, about 30 minutes. I'm just gonna let it set. It's kind of out here. Zip it up here. Now, we're just wanna massage this around really good. I mean, just try to work that into all pieces of that tenderloin. We're just gonna let this set. Like I said, about 30 minutes or so, 30 minutes. You can put it in the fridge, maybe a couple hours. It's got that balsamic vinegar, so it might break it down. So yeah, I would say 4 hours max. So, all right, we'll see you back and we're gonna start cooking this thing. It's gonna be some delicious venison backstrap. All right guys, it's been 30 minutes, probably more like an hour. Had my roofing guy come by, got a little leak going on, so we cleaned out the smoker. Wait till the end of this video and see that debacle. Oh my word. We're gonna get these tenderloins out of the marinade, and we're gonna save this marinade here too, because we're gonna use it as a dipping sauce later. And I'm not gonna go at this real hard, just gonna kind of blot it a little bit there. Okay, there we go. Look at those fibers right there. You can see they've kind of let loose a little bit. Tells me it's gonna be tender. We're gonna season this up with heifer dust. Heifer dust. Take this, put it right there. And it should be tacky enough to where it sticks really well. So there, flip that over. Man, there's beautiful tenderloins here. And put that there. Now it's good piece of meat. Nice little big piece of meat. You don't want to not season it well, okay? Just gonna flip this over a little bit, try to get those sides, get those ends. Man, that thing is nice and soft. All right, there we go. Now, we just gotta put it on the smoker. Actually, I'll put just a little more heifer on it. Smoker's on 200 degrees. And I just wanna go, oh, you know what I wanna do? I'm gonna take my old RFX, little remote thermometer, and I'll monitor this tenderloin. Oh yeah. Put it up to the mark right there. There we go. Let's go over to the smoker. See you there. All right. This thing's nice and fresh. Nice and fresh. We're gonna put one there. This piece right here kind of tapers down. May not get quite the temperature you want. I'm going for about a medium rare here, y'all. We'll push that together, make sure everything cooks evenly. And there you are. Going 200 degrees, going real low, real slow. I'm gonna pull it when it gets about 115, 120 degrees, all right? So, see you then. Hey, while our tenderloin is in the pellet grill, temperature guide, which one is it? Right here. Venison is on there as well. For all you hunters out there, or game lovers, or game meat lovers, check it out. Like I said, we're going medium rare on that venison. Also, podcast. Old Hussey's doing a podcast now. You can see it in YouTube. Check it out. It's also on Spotify, all those other places where you do podcasts. I would appreciate you if you subscribe to those also, and give them a watch. Give me a listen, all right? RFX says it's 115 degrees. 115 degrees. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That'll work. Let's get this off. Jacob went home. He wasn't sticking around, but yeah. Dang boy, that looks pretty good. Come on, let's head over to the cutting board. All right, as you can see, we're good to go. It's dried out good. It's nice and squishy. My RFX says 116 right now, so I'm just gonna leave it in until we get done searing it. And yeah, we're gonna get over to the griddle, get some avocado oil down, and we're gonna get to going. Let's see what we are temperature-wise. 558 degrees, that's perfect. Take this other one, press it right in there. I have this nice little tin right here, and we're gonna take this marinade and we're gonna put it into the tin. You're not gonna be able to see it very well, but we're gonna get that down into here, get it hot, and it's gonna reduce some, and that's gonna be our sauce. I'll take and flip this bad boy. Flip this one. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. I'm gonna take just about a tablespoon of butter. Just put that in right there onto the griddle. I've cut the griddle on low. We're just gonna kind of baste our tenderloin all in that butter. Just like that. Oh yeah. Man, that looks good. Perfect. I'd say these things are good to go. Our sauce These will warm up just a little bit more. I want to get these off. Put those over on our cutting board. All right, I want to bring you guys in on the sauce. And as you can see, it's reducing down quite nicely. Tell you what we're going to do now. I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Right there, just give it be nice and silky. All right, our sauce has thickened really, really well now. Oh man, that's so good, so good. Let's take our RFX out, put it back in its cradle. Did me well, thank you so much. So I want to slice this one right here first. And let's see what we got. Oh, man alive, look at that. That right there looks phenomenal. What do you think about that? Let's slice this some more. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Can't get no better than that. Got a pretty white plate over here. Some of this on right there. Yes, sirree. Take some of this sauce that we got here, run over top of it just like that. Woo-wee. Golly, boy. Come here and give me a whole slicey. Cheers, y'all. That's so tender, so good. Marinade, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce. It's so rich. That sauce is so good. I tell you what, this is better than a beef tenderloin. Tell you what, it is. Y'all, hey, if you like venison or want to try venison, give us a try. Oh gosh. Just knocked my sauce off. Give this venison a try. I guarantee you and yours will love it. Appreciate you.
You'll probably put Pellet on Fridays. Of course, I cook camera.
Oh yeah, there you go. Got 1 week left, and you want to dang mess my stuff up.
Yeah, you'll probably.
If I got that. Hold on, Jacob. I don't know where that thing went to. Here it is. There it is. Lord have mercy. Honey, little honey. Maggie, you could have got that for me. But no, you're just standing there. You're just waiting for your tax. Just like the dang government. Just like the government. I'll tell you what. I want to take these off. Zip it up here. Am I leaking? Is that what's happening here? I think I'm leaking, man. What'd I do, poke it? Oh man, let me give you another bag. You had one job. Hey, Ron, where'd my bags go? There'd been a snake that bit me. That's probably why right there I was really forceful with it. The dang bacon video that I got mad and sliced it and sliced all the bags. Yeah, I think it's, all right, change of pace here. I think I did something. So let's put you in there. There we go.